I can.
Go Teagin!
Come on, Teagin! Teagin, who's coaching? Grady, go coaching. Go coaching, man.
Hey, good work. Good job. All right. Come on, Teagin.
Come on, Teagin. Be aggressive. You got this, kid. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, T. Come on, Teagin. Be aggressive. Yeah, there you go. There's another takedown.
Come on, team. You got it. You got it. Teagin.
He's right there. You got him. Be aggressive. Pull him down. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job. Keep control. Stick with him. Cross wrist. Cross wrist. Break his base, Teagin. You can't do anything if he has a base. You're okay. Keep being aggressive. You gotta shoot, Teagin. There you go. Good job. Beautiful. Good job, Teagin. Finish it, Teagin. Don't let him up. Don't let him up. Let's go, Teagin. Good job, Teagin. Good job, Teagin. Break him down. Cross.
Yes, Teagin. Come on. Come on, Teagin.
Squeeze, Teagin. Squeeze. Good job. Cross wrist, Teagin. Run it. Hey, you're good.
Hey, you never gave the near ball. Should be 2 more.
T, you look great.
Let's go, Teagin. Keep being aggressive. You can't get it done. Rid of it now. Look at it, bro. Be careful, Teagin. Wrestle smart. Tie up. Teagin.